Hey, good morning guys, it's Brad. We're gonna get a video done today for what sold on eBay and Amazon, so stick around. Hey, good morning guys, it is Brad with Bolo Pickers. Today's video is gonna be eBay what sold, and we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items sell yesterday. So we're gonna go ahead and pull those, excuse me. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. We didn't have any Amazon FBM orders to get out. Yesterday I was here, we did a video, or I did a video yesterday, and it's up of all that stuff that shipped. That was Sunday. Today is Monday. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. First item up is a Bendy plush doll. It's in box 3, which is up there. This sold for $25.99 plus free shipping. I'm gonna grab it down here for us without hopefully moving the camera too badly. And it is a single Bendy plush, which is right here. So $23.99 free ship. We'll just seal this bag up, put it in a regular poly mailer, and send it on its way. And probably that's going to cost $4 to $5, I'd imagine, on the shipping. It's not going to be too much. So next item up is a JD700 nail filer. It's a nail drill. This sold for $27 plus the buyer paid shipping, and I got to figure out where this thing is at. BS1F5. So BS1F5, it's down here. Gotta move our cute little T-Rex dinosaur salt and pepper shakers. Pull this out. This has been up less than 3 days, and this should be pretty easy to ship. The buyer did pay for shipping, so I'm not too worried about that, but it is a little heavier, and this is a nail drill. So I found that at a thrift store, and I think I paid about $2.99 to $3.99 for it. Not 100% sure, but again, that sold for $27 plus shipping, so a nice little profit there. Next up, we sold some Kenny Rogers CDs, BS2D5, and this is just a 2-pack of Kenny Rogers, and these were just CDs that we had in the bookstore, and I put them up online and they sold, and those sold for $9.99, and the buyer paid shipping on those as well. So I'll show you at the end of this video, if you guys stick around, how I ship CDs to protect them from being cracked or crushed on the way. We sold a little Woodsy, and this is in tote 5, which can be behind me, a little Woodsy boating set, and this is just a toy, and it should be right down in here, and it is. It's down here. This we went to sell on Amazon, and it got returned, I believe. Yeah, because there's the Amazon label. So that should be pretty easy to ship. It's real light. The buyer paid $9.99 plus shipping on that. We sold 2 more Grease 2 DVDs, and these are all the way down in H2, and they both sold for, it appears like, let me check and make sure they both sold for the same amount. They both sold for $4.90. And what's weird, or odd I guess, is it's these that are selling, because we have these, but we also have these, and we only sold 1 of these, and we're down to our last probably 4 or 5 of these, and we probably started with a dozen of them. So sold 2 more of these today. It's going to cost us $2.80 to ship them out media mail, so we're going to make a couple bucks on those. So and they're really easy to list and ship because it was 1 listing, multiple quantity, and we went that way. Oh, there's another item down in here. This big sharpshooters, which is going to be the most challenging thing to ship today, sold for $23.60 plus shipping. The great thing is it's going to Kentucky because it's part of the global shipping program, and I'm in Indiana and Kentucky's close, so the shipping should be easily covered. It's just going to be challenging to find a flat, wide enough and long enough box for that, so that should be interesting to see how that comes out. And then the last item we had today that sold is another set of stainless steel whiskey stones. So let me show you guys one of these, show you what they look like. It's a set of 10. These are selling for $9.99 free shipping, and this is what they look like. And there's just 10 of those in there. So I'm not quite sure where I got these. Can't recall. I'm trying to think if I knew in the last video because I can't remember today. But anyways, this slides into a bubble mailer and we send it on its way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's our 8 items going out today on Monday. And we'll add it to Sunday's mix from yesterday, and we will get that stuff shipped out. I've noticed if we're listing and shipping every day, the orders just keep rolling in. Yesterday I did not list, and we only had 1 sale when I went to bed last night at about 10 o'clock, and woke up this morning and we had 7 more. So I got lucky, but today's going to be a listing day. So take the time while you guys are doing the stay at home, shelter in place, whatever you want to call it, to get all of your items listed. I still have a ton to go. Keep working through those death piles. Stay positive, and we're gonna get through this together. We'll talk to you guys soon. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday morning. My name is Brad. I'm with Bolo Pickers. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. And we do videos based on what sells on eBay and Amazon, sometimes Facebook Marketplace. And we're full-time online sellers. We also own a bookstore, which is what we're standing in the back of right now. This is where we do all of our online shipping and orders and do all of our eBay photos and all that. So we've got 8 eBay orders to ship and 1 Amazon order to ship. So let's get started. All right, so we're gonna do Amazon first. We sold another puzzle, and this is a Rainbow Fields, and this sold for $22.48. As you can see, my puzzle box is pretty low for Amazon. This sold for $22.48 plus shipping on Amazon, merchant fulfilled, and the buyer paid, like I said, $22.48 plus shipping. We paid $8 for that puzzle. So not a bad little deal there, not the greatest deal, but we're gonna make some money, and that's the name of the game. So let's move on over to eBay and see. We've got 8 items to ship today. We're still waiting. We're waiting on payments for 4. So that's also the name of the game for eBay, it seems like. So I'm getting closer and closer each day to turning on the require payment as soon as they order, just because I'm tired of messing and waiting and sending emails all the time. So the first item up is a set of books. They're in here. Oh man, that's so heavy too. This is full of books. I don't know if you guys can see in there or not, but let me grab these down from here because it is too heavy for me. There's a ton of books in there, so let me grab it. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed them down. These are Lakeside Press. If you ever see Lakeside Press, the older the better. They're made by R.R. Donnelly and Son Company. This was a lot of 4, and these are from the 49, 50, 51, maybe 52, I believe. There's 4 of them there, and that set of 4 sold for $31 plus the buyer paid shipping. It was on an auction, so not a bad little deal there. We sold another set of let's make sure it's 1. Yesterday it was 2, and I only grabbed 1, but I caught it when I was shipping. These are steel, stainless steel ice cubes for whiskey. They're whiskey stones. It sold for $9.99 free ship. Cost about $3 to ship that out. So nice little flip there. And we had 8 of them to start. We're down to our last 2. Next up is a puzzle, which puzzles have been hot, and I believe it's in box 3. Second puzzle of the day going out. This is a used puzzle. It's called Crossin' America, and it's White Mountain, which is a very good puzzle brand. And this sold for $10 plus shipping. We paid $2.99 for this, and we got to do it. So that's a bonus. It's a twofer because we got to put it together as well. And I love doing some puzzles. So the next item up, my wife found. This is a vintage wooden box purse with daisies and butterflies. It's really, really cool. It's in tote 1, which is up here. And this sold for $15 plus the buyer paid shipping. We paid $1.99 for it at a thrift store. And I'll show you guys what exactly it looks like because it's really, really cool. So it's a wooden box. It's got a little bit of, you know, paint transfer on there and stuff, but this is embroidered or needle pointed or whatever that's called on the front. It's really, really cool. This handle is made out of like plastic or glass. It feels like plastic, but it looks like glass. And then when you open it up, it's a it's like velvet on the inside. So very cool box. Sold relatively quick, and should be pretty easy to ship to the customer. And we made a little bit of money on it, so pretty excited about that. I know she was happy with that sale. So the next item up is in BS2B5, and is this right here. This is a Philips Respironics Wisp. Now, when it comes to CPAP machines and stuff like that, you have to make sure that you're not selling a CPAP machine. You can't sell those. However, you can sell the masks to help the accessories, and masks fall into that category. If you're not comfortable with it, make sure you reach out to eBay and verify with them. That mask we bought for 99 cents, and it sold for $14.99. Free shipping. It's going to go in a bubble mailer most likely and ship really fast and easy for us. Next item up is an ink cartridge. It's in box 11, which is behind me. Of course it's in box 11, the most full box of them all. This box has gotten a lot of work the last few weeks. It must be my lucky box, but this is an ink cartridge. I believe it's this right here. And I just want to make sure that's the right one, because we do have quite a few ink cartridges. And this is an LC61CL. Yep, that's the right one. This sold for $16.92, and free shipping. We'll put it in a little box. It's probably going to cost about $3 to ship out, maybe $4 at the most. And we paid, I want to say 99 cents or something from one of our thrift stores. So ink is always a good flip. Sometimes we had to sit on that one a little while, and sometimes that does happen. Last item we've got going out today is an item I found at the bins, and it's in tote 2. I didn't know what it was when I grabbed it, and it actually took a decent amount of research, but this is what it looks like. It's called a Truvativ ISIS drive by Alita, and it is a type of crankset drive for bikes, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but so at the bins you pay $1.69 locally. The Goodwill bins is what I'm talking about. If it's a pound, so we paid $1.69 for this, and it sold. We took a best offer of $25 plus shipping. It was missing a second piece. If it had the second piece, this would have well been worth $30, $40, even $50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We had 8 items on eBay and 1 item on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What am I missing? Maybe I miscounted this morning. 1. So we got the books. Oh, we had a second set of cubes sell as well. I didn't notice that there was 2 of them on there, so I'm going to make sure that they're both... We've been getting those ordered in 2-packs. But I want to make sure, yep, the second one was a 2-pack. So we had a single pack go out, and then we had a double pack go out, which is awesome. And then as I'm creating this video, I can hear my phone going off. We also sold some lights. So let's grab these. These have been up for a while. I know they were on sale. And these are in box 4, which is right here. And these are pretty cool. They sold for $20.99 plus free shipping. They were up for a long time, and the downside is now that we're getting into that season, I shouldn't have put these on sale, but that's okay. We're using the product. We're going to get some of our money back on these, maybe even make a profit. I can't remember how heavy they are. They're not super heavy, but they're really cool. See, they're like antique lantern lights. It's pretty cool in my opinion, and it's a 2-pack. So $21. It's probably going to cost us at least $10 to ship out, but I'm pretty sure I bought these in bulk, mixed in with another lot, so these were probably 50 cents a piece or something like that. So, not too much money into those, maybe $1 or $2 at the most. And if that's the case, we still made some money. Got that inventory out of the way so we can list some more stuff. which we're planning on doing today. So there's everything going out. I'm gonna ship that, pack it up, ship it out, and then I'm gonna start listing and try to get through some more of this big pile of stuff we have. Hope everyone's doing great. Thanks so much for watching the video today, guys. If you can give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ask your questions, and put some comments down below, we'd appreciate it. We'll talk to you guys soon.